Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this new Buffway wallet. So this is pretty cheap and good wallet. I've been using these for a while now. Let me show you what it looks like. They're pretty cheap, functional. Just replace them every couple years when my old one gets worn out. Wow. Look at this. So it has 3 card slots up here, a little slot to push out your most commonly used card. Then 12-month free replacement guarantee. Let's go. And as you can see, it has this little RFID protected. So protects you from the RFID reading any of your cards. Has special material in the wallet. And yeah, Buffway. Here's a good slot for IDs, more cards up here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. But yeah, it's definitely been my chill wallet of choice for about 6 years now. So I replace it every couple years. This is probably my 3rd or 4th one. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wallet in the comments below, and hope you're all doing well. See you all next time. Later.